picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move.
What's up, you guys? It is Jerika. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we do beauty, fashion, motherhood, and faith content here on this channel. And we talk about Jesus here on this channel. So if that is not your cup of tea, then for those who are new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you're an OG subscriber, then you already know you guys are great. I appreciate everybody that watches my videos because YouTube is really doing something with my channel, and I don't know what that something is, y'all. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. Like, I'll gain 10 subscribers and like lose 9. So like, I don't know if YouTube is deleting bot accounts or inactive accounts. I don't know what's going on, but like, the math ain't mathing. Like, it ain't been mathing for like 2 years. So anyway, this is gonna be my Saturday reset vlog. So on Saturdays is when I usually do my cleaning. I'll do laundry, wash the sheets, the mopping, sweeping, like groceries, and planning for the week, meaning like planning what content I'm gonna film. I'm gonna try and do all that today anyways. Like, I usually do it on Mondays, but I decided that I want to start doing it on Saturdays, so it's gonna be a Saturday reset vlog. And yeah, and I just got a PR package, y'all. Another PR package from Lancome. Like, what? I don't know what this could be here, because oh, this might be like the skincare stuff. Let me see. So another Lancome PR package. This is the third one, y'all. Yeah, this is the third one. So I don't know what this could be. Like I said, I think it might be the skincare line, because I did get, yep, it is. Wow. So y'all, I don't even know what to say. Like, they sent so much. It didn't say anything about sending all this. They sent me another mascara, 2 mascaras, some liner. They sent me a rollerball perfume. They sent me the Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. I don't know what this is. I gotta figure out what it is before I put it on my skin, because the Hypnose palette, is this an eyeshadow palette? Yeah, eyeshadows. They sent me a priming serum, solid smoothing primer. Ooh, it has hyaluronic acid in it. Oh my god, it's a hydrating primer. That's awesome. For foundation, oh, that is amazing. I'm gonna be trying that. And they sent me some more Juicy Tubes lip glosses. I'm gonna have to do a PR boxing video, a complete PR boxing video, because they sent me so much. Oh, yay. I'm so excited. Ooh, y'all, they sent so much stuff. This is insane. That is insane. Like, that is so much stuff. So anyway, so like I said, I'm trying to figure out where to begin, y'all. Okay, so groceries were just delivered. So the first thing I need to do is put that stuff away. And then once that stuff is put away, I'm gonna start cleaning. Oh man, where do I start? Okay, so put the groceries away. We're gonna start in the kitchen. Does anybody else that clean? Like, you start in the kitchen, and then maybe you'll take something to the bathroom. Now you're cleaning the bathroom. Then you take something to the laundry room. Now you're putting clothes in the washing machine. It's like, stick with one room at a time. For some reason, that is so hard for me. And it's like, I have to literally consciously make a decision to stay in one room. Like, I don't know why that is a thing, but it is a thing for me. So like, I literally have to consciously, like, okay, you said you was cleaning the kitchen. Stay in the kitchen until you are done with the kitchen. So I'm gonna put these groceries away, and I'm gonna wipe down the countertops. I'm gonna vacuum in here because Amira just had lunch, so it's a mess. So let's get to it.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me.
Alright, so I know my pantry is just falling at the seams with pantry food, But I just wasted this dang oatmeal, so now I gotta go vacuum this up real quick. That really annoys me, but we're just gonna go ahead and do it.
I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see. We'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the...
All right, y'all, so I'm done putting the groceries away. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do is clean the kitchen. So I'm gonna clean up my toddler's mess, like her high chair, vacuum around where she sits, wipe off the counter. Well, I'm gonna clean up her mess, wipe off the countertops, and then vacuum afterwards. That way I only have to vacuum once, because that way whatever's on the counters go on the floor, then just vacuum all at once and call it a day. I'm trying to consciously make the decision to stay on one task at a time. So we're gonna do the kitchen, we're gonna vacuum the living room. The living room is really easy, like there's not anything to do but vacuum in the living room. Spray the couches down with Febreze, call it a day.
Darkest alley, can't you see you will be free? I have been far, I have been wide, searching for peace, somewhere to hide. Now I am free, open and pure, fearless and babe, I am secure. There is no dark that can't be lit. We'll find a way if we just commit. We are one. There is no them and us. Together we're strong. Together we're free.
Y'all, I can't find the other glove to this, so I'm using this backwards. Y'all, look at this. Like my fingers are broken, but it's gonna have to do.
From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the darkest alley. Can't you see you will be free? Can't you see you will be free? You will be free. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh. Don't be discouraged anymore. You'll find the thing you've been looking for. Pick up the pieces off the floor. Just trust it'll be alright. Your heart is lonely, but it's strong. You might be lost now, and it's not wrong. You'll discover the way, even if it feels long. Just trust it.
All right, y'all, my next major task is to do the laundry. Do the wash the bed sheets, vacuum the room, clean the toilets, wipe off the mirrors, counters, stuff like that. And then I'll be done.
Oh, trust it'll be alright. finish line is only yours to find. Be still and know that you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. Yeah, you're gonna make it. Tell all those demons they can hide.
It's crazy, y'all. It is literally almost, it is 8:36, y'all. Like, it is taking me this entire day to film this vlog because I have so much cleaning to do and I haven't filmed everything because the video will be like 45 minutes long. So I was gonna film y'all, showing y'all me fixing the bed and stuff, but it's getting late. We got church in the morning, so, and then I was gonna show y'all how I plan content, but I'm just gonna have to do that tomorrow. So this is gonna end up being a 2-day vlog. Well, I'm going to go take a shower and get ready for bed because we gotta get up early in the morning for church. I gotta get up at like 6:20. So I'm gonna go fix this bed whenever the sheets come out the dryer. I'm gonna take a shower. I gotta give a mirror a bath still, so I still got a lot to do. So we're gonna finish this vlog tomorrow. All right, y'all, it is the next day and we're gonna talk about planning content since I didn't get to do it yesterday. So I went to Target and I went ahead and bought a 2023 planner, just a basic planner. Here comes my daughter just being nosy. So this planner, what I do is at the beginning of the week. Hi, Becky. Oh, thank you, you're so sweet. So it'll show here, like, you got your top goals for the week, Monday all the way till Sunday. What I'll do is I'll sit here and I'll go to the notes in my phone. I have a note. All right, sorry about that, my battery died. So when anytime I get a video idea, I pull up these notes in my phone. Any idea I get, I put it in that book, in my notepad on my phone. And then at the beginning of each week, I will plan what days I'm gonna film what, and what days I'm gonna post, and what days I'm gonna edit, what days I'm gonna film TikToks. So for example, tomorrow is Monday, August 14th. So I know that Fenty Beauty just came out with their new foundation. So I know that I need to go to Sephora tomorrow because I didn't get to go today. So I can get the foundation. I'm probably gonna film it. I usually don't start filming long form content where I have to actually set up until Tuesdays. But since this foundation is hype, I guess you could say, I may film it tomorrow. I don't know. It's probably still gonna end up being Tuesday. And I usually make Mondays my days that Monday's usually the day like I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm prepared to film for the rest of the week. But tomorrow I may do some TikToks before I wash my hair. I'm not even sure. But so I'll just sit here and take the video ideas from my phone, plan them out for the week, what days I'm gonna edit, what days I'm gonna film it, what days I'm gonna post it, etc. Because my schedule on here is 2 days a week. Usually Monday and Thursday is the days that I try, but if I don't get Thursday, then at least Friday. And yeah, that's how I plan my content. So just get yourself a planner, write out your goals for the week. I also write out my other goals. I have my other planner for like my life goals, which I've shown you guys in my when you're spending time with God in the morning, my planner. You move my planner. Here, it's over here. There, I threw it away. Sorry, you can't play with the pen, Gee. I don't want you to write on yourself. So you're gonna have to be mad for a minute. Well, I was trying to show y'all my planner, but my daughter has it and she don't want to unhand the planner. But anyway, it's the same planner I showed you guys in my last video that I can plan my day. I usually just like write out my goals for the day, what I need to get done, what I'm grateful for, any prayer requests. I don't really plan out my day by the hours because I feel like I'll just be stressing myself out. Unless I have like a doctor's appointment or something at a specific hour, I don't plan by the hour. I just write what I need to do for that day and it's gonna get done when it gets done. That's where we at right now. Like we just got into planning and I'm surprised that I'm even a planning girl because I used to never plan. I'm just like, I don't know why people buy planners. I don't know why they need planners, anything like that. But having a planner, especially now that I'm a mom and I need to have my time for me and have my time for her. Like, planning is absolute. So that is pretty much it for this Saturday, Sunday reset vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. I don't know if I'm gonna do these anymore because I literally do the same thing every week. I don't even know about vlogs for real unless I got things to do, because I just don't feel like boring you guys with boring everyday life things. But if you like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms _JustJerika on TikTok and on Instagram. And my blog is www.jerikasincere.com. I'm not sure if I'm going to change the domain name to that or not really sure. But I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.
Be still and know you're loved. Be still and know that you're still good enough. Be still.